Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the pet color in Face It. So in this latest update, we can now get a free pet that called Tabby Cat like this. It will look like this. It's so cute pet. But before you can unlock it, you need to cut 5 pet colors and 20 salmons for the class. And for this pet color, you can cut it in the newest island, the Copper Canyon like this island. And the good news is this item is pretty easy to get because it's only an uncommon tier item, this one, pet color. And so you don't need any overpowered rod or overpowered bait. You can just start using your medium quality rods or any rod that you already have. And then just keep fishing in this island, in this Copper Canyon, and you can soon get the pet color without too much trouble. And after collecting all the required items, just go complete the quest and you will be able to claim your free Tabby Cat pet like this. This Tabby Cat. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!